Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to send Ethereum from your Arculus wallet to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. With Ethereum's growing popularity, knowing how to transfer it securely is essential for managing your digital assets. So, let's jump right in and get you set up. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest 2025 version for enhanced security features. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Ethereum holdings by selecting the Assets tab and finding Ethereum in your wallet dashboard. Next, to initiate the transfer, tap on your Ethereum balance. This will bring up a menu with options like Send or Transfer. Choose Send, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Uphold account. Log in to Uphold on your browser or app, go to the Accounts section, and select your Ethereum wallet. There, you'll find a Deposit button. Click it to generate a unique deposit address for Ethereum. Copy that Uphold address carefully, then head back to Arculus. Paste the address into the recipient field, and double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, making sure to leave enough for network fees. Review the transaction details, including gas fees which might be optimized in 2025 with new Ethereum upgrades, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Approve it with your wallet's security features, like biometric authentication. After that, sit tight. The transaction should process on the Ethereum blockchain, which typically takes a few minutes, but could vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Uphold account to confirm the Ethereum has arrived. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your crypto. In conclusion, sending Ethereum from Arculus to Uphold is straightforward once you know the steps. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and keeping your apps updated. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.